When you get a chance to stop and think about it, I'm sure you can develop several reasons why becoming more organized in your life is a good idea. The first things that come to mind are reduction in stress, better productivity, and more free time for the things that I enjoy doing in life. The fact of the matter is, most people are not organized. I hate to point fingers, but there's an excellent chance that you are not organized. Once a famous cartoon duck named Scrooge McDuck said, "It's not how long and hard we work, it's how intelligently we work that makes all the difference." I think there is a lot that can be learned from a cartoon duck. I'll start a series of videos that will discuss the skills and habits that will help you become more organized and take control of your life. Since I'm a college professor, I'm a bit of an expert in time management and organizational skills. I teach these skills to students who have trouble with their work, not because they're not intelligent, but because they are disorganized. Today, let's get started by discussing some of the skills you can develop to become more organized. Let's begin with time management. As Scrooge McDuck told us, it's essential to work more intelligently, not harder. This is where time management comes into play. You may feel that you already have a pretty good handle on your time management skills, but there's always room for improvement. First, one of the things you can do is to set some goals for yourself. There's an acronym for this, SMART, S-M-A-R-T. This stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. This allows you to apply some metrics directly to the tasks you're doing to help you understand why you're doing these tasks and the benefits obtained by completing them. Now, I have 5 more juicy tips about how to organize your life, and I will be presenting these in the video that follows this one. So stay tuned for the next video, and I will present those 5 tips.